Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this gravity chair that I think it's fantastic. Number one, supports 350 pounds, so that's quite a lot, I want to say. But number two, what's a gravity chair? This is a gravity chair. Just like that. Oh my God. Yeah, this is extra comfy. It comes with a pillow right here, which I think it's really nice. And it also comes with a pillow, like an entire cushion for your body that is right here. We're going to put it in a few seconds. I'm going to show it to you on a close-up in a few seconds as well. But without the pillow, it's already super comfy. So this one for just like going camping or the beach or something like that and sleeping, napping or something, I want to say that is extremely comfy. I also like the fact that just how easy it is, but I also like the fact that it comes with this right here, so you can put two water bottles. They're actually dripping on the bottom, so that's actually really nice. And also two holders for devices, like for example you can put your phone and a tablet or a book or something like that, so have it within easy reach. And you can change this from this side to this side as well. But let's actually put the pillow now and take it on a close-up. I think this just become one of the most, if not the most comfortable gravity chair that I ever had. This is super comfy. I like the fact that it's super firm and stable, so it's not like super flimsy or something like that. I also like the fact that the armrests are quite wide, I think so. And again, it comes with this that you can change sides from left to right as well. But this with the pillow is, I think it's super good and a must-have for camping, the beach. For the beach, this is amazing. Or just on your patio, if you want to have it on your patio and have a projector or something like that and play movies at night, I think it could be really good as well. And this is so easy. Just do this and becomes like a regular chair. I really like it. And the fact that it's also really good with the weight limit with the 350 pounds. Yeah, I think this is a really good one. The pillow is also a really good plus. I do want to say, just like that it's not quite lightweight for portability. If you want to take it with you on the go, like for again camping, fishing, hiking or something like that, this is not a lightweight chair, so take that into account. You maybe want to drop it in your trunk on your car or SUV or truck or something like that, because it's not super lightweight. It comes with a handle that you can grab it and just take it with you, but again, it's not super lightweight. So I like it. It's really reinforced. It comes with a pillow or without the pillow. Gravity chairs, you can see the holders for devices and the drinks. Yeah, I really like it. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.